Hello, I am with AirPods Pro and the Android device, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the settings of your AirPods Pro on the Android device. So the first is just to open the settings on this device. This is the Huawei Preferred ID. Enter the device connectivity, the Bluetooth, and there are our pair AirPods. So just click on the settings icon, and as you can see, here we are in the settings. Now we can just change the name of our AirPods, or just set up the things like call audio, media audio on contact sharing, and we can also unpair our headset. So this is how it looks with AirPods Pro and the Huawei Preferred ID. I hope that I help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and please subscribe to our channel.